Hey, Brian from Reversible Hall. Today I have a Farberware bamboo cutting board, and it's 14 by 20 inches. And just kind of give you an idea, and I know in the description it gives you how big it is, but sometimes you just need to actually physically see it in front of somebody to actually get a good realization of how big something actually is. So again, accuracy, it is 20 by 14. So let's open it up. Comes wrapped in plastic. I think I'm actually going to need the scissors to cut this plastic off this. Okay, again, so I'll give you a kind of a close camera view of what the texture actually looks like on a bamboo board. So it's nice, it's got a good feel to it, and both sides are basically identical. So there you go. Anyway, Brian from Reversible Hall, thanks for watching and enjoy your cutting board.